Hello everyone, I am Dr. Om Prakash. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about influenza vaccine, and influenza vaccine is beneficial in this COVID-19 period or not beneficial. And I am also going to discuss about if it is beneficial, who are the people or which category people must take this influenza vaccine, how this influenza vaccine will affect us during this winter, especially in this winter during this COVID-19 period. So we are entering into winter of this year, and it is very important because we are going through an unprecedented situation where we are dealing with COVID-19 pandemic. The winter also brings so many health related problems along with the problem which we face during every winter, that is influenza. Influenza is also called as flu, it's called as H1N1. In this video I am focusing on influenza vaccine because many people are asking me, should we take influenza vaccine? Is there any benefit regarding COVID-19 if we take influenza vaccine? Or is there any harm if we take influenza vaccine in relation with COVID-19? And also there is one question still we cannot answer. The question is, do influenza vaccine in any means will affect the coming COVID-19 vaccine? We are going to just put some light on these points. In India, influenza season starts usually from January and it ends in March. Unlike COVID-19, influenza can also affect young people. It produces equally severe disease in young people, unlike COVID-19. And children are at more risk when it comes to influenza related pneumonia. So children who are below 5 years and especially who are below 2 years are at the highest risk in relation with the influenza related pneumonia. Usually the vaccination starts in the September or October of every year. In some countries, government itself sponsors the vaccine, but in some countries it is the people's choice who, if they want to get flu shot or influenza vaccine. One finding which is published in British Medical Journal, it tells that if a person gets COVID-19 along with influenza, his chances of death will be more than double if the person gets COVID-19 alone. So it tells that if somebody gets influenza along with COVID-19 or COVID-19 patient gets influenza, whatever, chances of death for that person doubles compared to the COVID-19 alone. So it means the severity may be more when we get influenza along with COVID-19. So people who are prone to go for more severe disease, either with influenza or with COVID-19, are at higher risk. So the people at higher risk must get influenza vaccine in this winter season to protect themselves. Who are the people who are at higher risk and should get influenza vaccine in this winter season? Especially children who are more than 6 months and less than 6 years, elderly who are either 65 years or more than 65 years, all pregnant women, and also people who are working in healthcare facilities and people who have other diseases like asthma, chronic lung diseases, and who are suffering from chronic heart related diseases, suffering from chronic kidney related diseases. And also I want to add a special category, that is obesity. People who are severely obese, whose BMI is more than 40, should also get influenza vaccine. Because in this category, as in my previous video I told, people who are obese having more BMI are more likely to get severe pneumonia, severe lung infections due to influenza and also due to COVID-19. So all these category people should get vaccinated in this flu season and get benefited. So I hope this information helps you to decide whether you should get influenza vaccine or not. Thank you for watching my video.